तो बदलते दिन के साथ दिल्ली की हवा और जहरीली होती जा रही है। दिल्ली की जो AQI है वो 355 को पार कर गई है, जो बेहद खराब श्रेणी को दर्शाता है। मौसम विभाग की अगर माने तो 14 नवंबर तक हवा की गुणवत्ता बहुत खराब श्रेणी में रहने की संभावना है। दम घोटू हवा में सांस लेने से दिल्ली वासियों को सांस से संबंधित बीमारियों का सामना करना पड़ रहा है। बढ़ते प्रदूषण के बीच दिल्ली MCD ने निजी वाहनों के लिए पार्किंग चार्ज को दोगुना करने की योजना भी बनाने की फिराक में है। इसके लिए एक प्रस्ताव आगामी 14 नवंबर को होने वाली MCD सदन की बैठक में पेश किया जा सकता है। इस बीच सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने सोमवार को दिल्ली सरकार को फटकार भी लगाई और कहा कि कोई भी धर्म ऐसी किसी गतिविधियों को बढ़ावा नहीं देता जो प्रदूषण को बढ़ावा देती हो। इसके साथ ही सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने यह भी कहा कि पटाखों पर प्रतिबंध लागू करने के निर्देश को दिल्ली पुलिस ने गंभीरता से लिया ही नहीं।
Hearing was a big step in curbing one of the bigger sources of pollutants, which is firecrackers, especially observations on lines of how no one or no religion asks people to cause pollution is one of the arguments that was given. So keeping that in mind, we are also seeing how now targeted action is being taken in hotspot areas. So so far what we've also learned from the Delhi Environment Ministry is how 10% of the mechanical sweepers as well as the sprinklers and anti-smog guns are all have been allocated in the hotspot regions inside the national capital. Currently also, while the average AQI in the national capital is around 350, 4 to 5 stations are still in the severe category, and these are stations that have regularly been facing very poor and now severe quality of air. Mundka, Wazirpur, Jahangirpur as well as Anand Vihar are still recording an AQI above 400, and these are the areas that have been disproportionately affected over a longer period of time. Now the government is also saying that they've tried to identify the sources of pollution in these areas. For Anand Vihar, they say it is the construction that is going on at the Rapid Railway Transport Metro Station right beside the ISBT. Of course, the buses coming in and plying from the ISBT route. The damaged roads there are also a concern for the ministry, and these are some of the areas that they're keeping an eye on. In Mundka as well, which is also recording an AQI in the severe category as well, we're seeing how the construction near the urban development area as well as industrial pollutions are areas that are adding. In general, what the Environment Ministry is also saying that transport again continues to be a big issue and a big contributor to the levels of 2.5 in the national capital. Remember, we are not seeing the number peak as much as we have in the last years. One of the reasons for which is that the temperatures still haven't dipped that low, that the pollutants will be even more densely packed. However, the average concentration of PM 2.5, which again can be directly inhaled and can cause respiratory issues to even healthy people, to people who haven't had any respiratory illnesses before, those concentrations on an average are higher than last year's. So extremely concerning on the ground. However, not a lot of work that can bring this level below in the moderately polluted or even in the satisfactory category, in fact, has been taken so far.
ये तो राजधानी दिल्ली की बात रही। सीधे पड़ोसी मुल्क जो है पाकिस्तान